What will happen if you drink a glass of beetroot juice every day? Did you know that beetroot has been gaining amazing popularity? It's becoming more popular as the new superfood around the world. Actually, beets can offer a number of important health benefits for us. In today's video, I will talk about the benefits of consuming beetroot juice every day. Be sure to watch until the end, because there may be one benefits that you've probably never heard of before. Along with that, I'll also share how to make beetroot juice. So if you're ready, let's get started. Beets are low in fat, full of powerful antioxidants, rich in vitamin C, and help in the absorption of iron. Importantly, these plant leaves and the roots can be eaten. It is also rich in calcium, iron, and vitamin A. Beetroots are best enjoyed raw and uncooked, as cooking may destroy most of its nutrients. Drinking beetroot juice is one of the best ways to attain its great benefits. Let's check out some of the impressive health benefits of drinking beetroot juice every day. First, it gives glowing skin. If you are healthy from within your body, it reflects on the outside. Drinking beetroot juice acts as a great blood purifier, which is key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. It is also rich in vitamin C, which helps in clearing blemishes and evens out your skin tone, while giving it a natural glow. Next, it helps manage blood pressure. Consuming beet juice regularly also helps to lower blood pressure. This is because it contains healthy naturally occurring nitrates. Although most vegetables contain nitrates, but an average size beet contains about 20 times more dietary nitrates than other vegetables. This helps with nitric oxide production. When consumed regularly, beet juice can help to lower systolic pressure as well as reduce arterial stiffness. Boosts energy levels. Beetroot juice helps in opening the blood vessels and thus increases the flow of oxygen throughout your body, which makes you feel more energetic and active throughout the day. This is probably why it's best to have it early morning to wake up your sleepy organs. It has been often promoted as a great workout drink and good for athletes, as it increases the flow of oxygen to the muscles, preparing them for the stress ahead. Next, good for digestion. Beetroot juice with its pulp is full of fiber, which helps in regulative digestive processes and also relieves constipation. It is also rich in betaine, which is an agent thought to be beneficial for good digestive health. It is said that betaine increases stomach acid levels in order to improve digestion. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice is also a great home remedy for an upset stomach. It helps you maintain a healthy weight. Since the beet is low in calories and has virtually no fat, so it's become a healthy choice who want to maintain weight. Beetroot juice is a great option for your morning smoothies. It'll give you a nutrient and energy boost as you start your day. Next, it detoxes your body. Beetroot juice will also help to detoxify your entire body, as beetroot is a unique source of betalains, a type of phytonutrient. These compounds are known to provide powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxification properties. Beetroot juice is a very effective detox drink for our liver, since it can help to remove unwanted toxins as well as stimulate liver cells. This is contributed to methionine and glycine betaine, which work to keep fatty acids from building up. Lowers blood glucose. Though high in sugar, beetroot actually helps in regulating your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that it does not lead to high glucose concentration in the blood. This simply means that the natural sugars in beetroot are released very slowly in the body and thus prevents sudden spikes. In the form of the juice, it may actually help diabetics. All the mentioned benefits you will get when you drink a glass of beetroot juice every day. After knowing important benefits, let's know how to prepare it. For that you will need 1 to 2 medium-sized beetroots, fresh ginger, 1 glass of water, a container and the juicer. Preparation method. Wash the beet thoroughly and peel out the skin. Cut down the beet and ginger into small pieces. Then add beet, water and ginger into a juicer and collect the juice in the container. Your juice is ready for consumption. If you don't like its taste, then you can add additional ingredients such as lemon or raw honey to improve the flavor and add nutrition. Further, you can try different combinations to enhance its nutrient value. Important points before consumption. Please avoid drinking this juice if you are already suffering from low blood pressure problems, because regular consumption of beetroot juice may increase the risk of your pressure dropping too low. So monitor your blood pressure carefully. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at risk of kidney stones, please avoid beetroot juice. At last, please do not drink it in a large quantity. As per expert recommendation, just 250 milliliters of the juice per day is enough for you. Best time drinking it in the morning time on an empty stomach can work best, as it can help in better absorption. Now let me know, would you like to drink beetroot juice? After knowing these incredible benefits, let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you thought this video offered some useful information, then press the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods recipes, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.